I don't play games. I don't like to play tennis and ping pong and volleyball on my job.
Welcome to Rebel Chaser. My name is Gail, and this clip comes from the Honorable and lovely Lynise Bryant in Michigan's 36th District Court. She has a defendant who tells her a fib. And that fib, I think, really angered Judge Bryant. Let me know what you guys think.
This is case number 234489901. The people of the state of Michigan versus Nicole Brown. Defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. Today is the date Ms. Brown has been brought before the court on a tether violation. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. Nicole Brown. Ms. Brown, ma'am, please tell the judge your full name.
And someone, all right.
Nicole.
All right. Today is the date set or strike that Ms. Brown is brought before the court on a tether violation. It indicates that on the same day she was enrolled in tether violation, she was located in the exclusionary zone. And then on the same day, she was in the exclusionary zone. Ms. Stevenson, or I'm sorry, who? Yeah, Ms. Stevenson.
Your Honor, at this time, we have a pre-trial conference scheduled, I believe, for August 29th. And I know we've had a couple of tether violations, but I need to get to that pre-trial date so I can find out whether this case is going forward. So, of course, I'm asked that the bond be continued, Your Honor.
Yeah, the bond is continued and I'm removing the tether. I'm removing the strike that. Don't listen to what I just said. The bond is, I'm changing the bond, okay? So this is we had a bond violation hearing, and they told her she could go retrieve her belongings. Then we had a bond violation hearing on, let's see. Oh, I put her on house arrest on August the 10th. Or I continued her and I sent her to the treatment facility. That was on August the 10th. And then they gave her the tether on August the 18th. So did she stay in jail from August the 10th to August the 18th, waiting on a space at the treatment facility?
I believe so, Your Honor.
And then as soon as she got out, she said, I'm going straight to where I'm not supposed to be.
Or on the 18th, you mean? Or because I don't think she went straight there. I think she went to the doctor, went to the hospital first.
Well, that's okay, yeah.
Okay.
She went straight there on the same day, Ms. Stevens.
Okay.
So she's going to stay where she is and sober up a little bit. And then I'll see her on the 29th. So for this particular moment, I'm revoking the bond.
What do you want me to sober up from?
I apologize. What you say?
What sober up from what? I don't have a drug problem. I only recommended treatment so I can get out of jail. I thought it would be better for me. but it's not. I have bad paranoia, schizophrenia. That's why I went to the hospital so I can
I
get my
want to know
medication.
why. I want to know why. Who you talk? I want to know who you talking to.
I apologize. I do. I want to I went to the hospital.
I apologize too. Okay, so she's gonna stay where she is.
And if it has not already, Your Honor, I am asking that the file be marked medical. I know that, well, Ms. Brown has just told us that she does have that medical condition, Your Honor. I think that that's supported by some of the other tether violations. So I'm asking the file be marked medical.
Okay, well, we can mark the file medical.
Can I please get a bond?
No, because you keep violating your bond. And if you gonna sit on here and say you'll go to treatment and you don't have a problem, then that's your issue, right? So let me tell you what I don't do, Miss Brown. I don't play games. I don't like to play tennis and ping pong and volleyball on my job. I don't go back and forth, ma'am. Now, if you're gonna be dishonest about it, then be dishonest, but it's to your own detriment. So you can't tell me one day you need treatment, and then on the next day, when I'm acknowledging you saying you need treatment, now you want to try to correct me and say you don't have a problem. Well, then that's what you get for coming to court lying. So don't do that. Don't do that then, because it gets you caught up. So no, you're not going to get the bond right now.
I done spent a month and a half in jail for something I didn't do.
That's because you're not being honest with the court and you keep violating your bond. So if you would stop violating your bond, you wouldn't be in jail. I'm not going to go back and forth. I'm not going to go back and forth with you. I'm not going to go back and forth with you. Okay. So what I will say is that the bond, I'm not revoking her bond, but the bond is continuing. It's right now, and they're not going to let her come back probably to Naomi's Nest because she keep going away. So that's what it is. Anything further? I'm not going to go back with your client back and forth. Anything further, Ms. Stevenson?
I don't have anything for the record, but could the court send Ms. Brown back to breakout so that we could try to answer her questions, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, telling Judge Bryant that you only said you had a drug problem so you could get out of jail is not a good strategy. I mean, I do understand, and I feel for her if she's a paranoid schizophrenic and she needs the proper medication, and she probably doesn't get that in jail, which probably makes her feel crazy too. So I understand that, but there is a solution. The solution is stay out of jail. You know, don't do things that'll put you in jail. That's the best solution. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching.